we're here to do a few unboxings for my new covers. I just did a video of an unboxing of a Tiffany & Co. notebook, line notebook, and in that video I mentioned that I'm going to be using a lot more of B6 Stalogy, B6 Common Planner from Sterling Ink, kind of size and vibe. It's small, compact. I think it's going to fit really nicely into my lifestyle next year. And so I decided to get a few covers that we'll go through unboxing. I took the the plastic off, just because I know that can be a little noisy and crinkly in the videos. But a few covers just so I have options. And the if you've ever ordered a Moterm or are thinking about it, the die lot can be off just ever so slightly. So you can buy a cover 5 of the same colors and they're just shades different. But I kind of like that. I have 2 personal ring white planners from them, and they're different color whites. But I love that because I know I can get 2 and they're going to be maybe slightly different, maybe not. But in my experience, they've always been slightly different, which I kind of like. Okay, so these are all B6 size covers. I love Moterms, and this is a taupe color, really pretty. So it kind of blends in with the background. And I either bought this to say maybe it's seasonal, maybe I end up really liking tan, depending on what the rest of the layout will look like, depending on the color I use. So for example, if I use a common planner for next year, maybe one of these covers is a planner, one stays a brain dump, one is affirmations. But I really like the tan and the black together. That looks really, really pretty. If you were gonna do a common planner in there, I forget what colors, but these are 2 different colors. So even that looks really pretty with the taupe, and that looks really pretty with the taupe even. This little purpley might look better with black, but the pink is like a similar shade, especially since you have the gold. This is a 2024 common planner that I plan to use next year. And the reason why I have so many of these is why I bought so many covers, to try and see what might look best. So this is the taupe. There's always a back pocket, a lot of pockets in the front, a lot of pockets in the back. It just makes it nice to hold, whether you decide to put credit cards or just Post-its or what have you. It's nice. I fill mine up and tend to forget even when I put it in there. This next one, oh, this is beautiful. Oh, on camera, it's pretty true to life, but it's like this beautiful, deep, like raspberry color. That is stunning. And the leather smells so good. So similar. They're all the same. They're just all slightly different. Looks great with black, lavender, really pretty. More than likely, I'm gonna put my, oh yes, gorgeous, gorgeous, my 2024 dated common planner. I ended up using, I think all year I used the Stalogy every single day. Brain dump. Yeah, so it's dated, B6. Oh, I love it. So the way it's set up, year in the front, your overview. Then you have goals, which I like. I have a separate goal planner that I want to get back into this year. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, I love it. And then all the months. The only downside, it'll take a minute to adjust to like all the months up front. I like having the months in between the weeks, but that's why you have 2 of these tabs. Will be nice, or bookmarks. So it goes from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m., which is unfortunately most days a little earlier and about midnight. But what I like is that it's hard to believe that like the whole year fits in just this little front part. And then the rest of this is open notes. So in case you're coming around, you've seen this for the first time. My current, this was always a brain dump notebook, but now that I got into school and a few other things, now I've had to go back and like tab certain sections for things that mean different. Like what do I want to reference? Like I'll have to look back to that. This is for school. So it's just, I realized I just need a system where I can still have the size, the paper, and use it. Oh God, that gold and the raspberry is stunning. Just something that fits don't make the planner fit my lifestyle. Find a planner that fits my lifestyle, if that makes sense. So I know how I use it now. And if it's something I need to reference again and again, I'll put it in this because I'm going to use this planner every single day. So rather than maybe brain dump or random journaling stored in here, I'll be able to do the notes that I'm going to continually reference back to. We'll stay in this one. Okay, I'll move on. This is beautiful. The gold and the raspberry is stunning. The purple and the raspberry is stunning. I am in love. Absolutely in love with this. Okay, so that's one. Very, very excited. Then the last one, so the taupe will be more than likely a switch it out versus a standard. Now this is a white crock. The white can always be, maybe I'll run and grab my habit tracker and you'll see what I mean by colors. That's pretty. So it's a cream crock. On video, it looks more white. In person, it has a slightly yellow tint. But I'll run and grab the other white crock and maybe you'll see the difference. Oh yeah, totally. You can probably see the difference. This is super yellow and this is really white. So that's interesting. And I really like this white color better, but maybe I'll adjust to this white, or maybe I order a second white and see, like, can you see how it's pretty different? One is more yellow, one is more white. That's still very pretty. I would just need to think about which planner I would put in here. Black would be pretty, probably. It's a little stiff. It just needs to be worn in. But I mean, this is like so soft now, but I've been using this for, I don't know, maybe 3 years already. So I know I like the crock. So, and the black is just so squishy and soft. I really, really love it. So I would just need to think about which one I would put in here. So if we were to do a little bit of a lineup, let's see, I would have my, this journal, in this cover, my Stalogy is late, for 2024, but it's late, but arriving. So brain dump, affirmations, and planner. And it's a pretty good stack. So we'll see how I use the white one. Thanks for sticking around and coming by. Let's see. The boxes are nice. I just don't know that I'll reuse them. Okay. So we have the tan, the white. So these are the 3 I ordered today, which unboxed today. Together, the colors are beautiful. I mean, they look really, really beautiful stacked together, which is great. So I wanted something that I would like individually or together if I decided to use them all together, and move away from a black cover for a while, because I've been using black for a long time, and I don't know, maybe we'll see if I like color. Or just decide to throw some color into the other stack. Okay, so that is that unboxing, and a little bit of a tangent to see how I'm going to use them. But I hope that was helpful. As always, if you have questions, leave them below, and happy to help out. Happy to answer any questions that you have. Again, these are all B6 size. So I made a mistake and ordered an A6 notebook. So just be careful if you're ordering on Amazon. Sometimes if you choose a different color, the sizes change and it doesn't tell you. So just double check. Maybe I'm the only one that doesn't double, triple check before checkout. Anywho, thanks for joining me. I'm really excited to see how I'm going to end up using these, and appreciate you joining me for the unboxing and to think through. And I hope you have a good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. I'll get back to my coffee and maybe get into another video. So if you have some requests or ideas for what you'd like to see, let me know. Planner videos will look a little different, but that could be good depending on what you're into and maybe what you're thinking through. Until the next video, I really hope you have a wonderful day. And I know it's the holiday season and it can be really, really tough for a lot of people. You know, it's been tough, including myself. So just, I really appreciate that you're joining. You matter, and tough times will pass. So I hope you're doing well. And hopefully if you're watching this, you're feeling good. If you're a little down, it can be normal. And I hope that you're, you know, keep the chin up and set some good goals. Take one day at a time. And I will see you in the next video.